Hey y'all, Kevin here, and today I'm here to talk to you about a dog puzzle toy by a company called NPET. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, share with a friend. Those really do help out the channel growing and me to continue to produce videos for everyone. So like I said, today's product is a dog puzzle toy. I'm going to include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon so you can check it out for yourself. But if you are like me and have a pet that just swallows their food way too fast and you're looking for a way to slow down them eating, this is a great item for you, especially if you haven't heard about dog puzzle toys. I happen to have a Siberian Husky, so he's also very, very smart and can figure things out really quickly. So I'm always looking for things to challenge him mentally and then also in the same time slow down that quick eating, and this does both of those. So this is the box it comes in, and then basically this is the puzzle toy itself. It's really straightforward. First off, it's made of BPA-free plastic materials. It's easy to throw into the sink and just soak and wash. There's no little parts that can come off to where your loving pet can swallow, get choked. So that's very important that everything is nice and secure. On the bottom here, it has these little rubber feet, which means it's hard for them to push it and slide it and knock it over, which is helpful when they're trying to solve the puzzle. They did include 2 little extra rubber pieces in case somehow, this comes out while you are cleaning it and whatnot. But overall, the whole entire, if you fill up all the little spots, it's going to hold a ½ cup of food. So keep that in mind, depending on how much food you give your pet. This will hold ½ cup. And it's got basically 8 flipping lids here. And then it's got 6 little sliding pieces. So let me show you some footage of my dog solving this, and then we'll kind of go over the last little details of why it's a level 2 device. Okay, so there you go. You saw it. He has a lot of fun with this thing. Why this is a level 2, because you're going to see there's a lot of puzzle feeders out there. Some of them are really easy to solve, and some are a little bit more difficult. So the middle part's pretty easy for them to figure out. They just, with their nose, push this around, and as you can see, it starts to expose the food, and they can get to this access really, really easy. The more challenging part is these little doors here. So without this spinning, all they have to do is nuzzle this up and they can get to the food pretty quickly. But as you can see here, if the bone part in the middle is blocking this, the door doesn't open. So they can't get it up. So they have to then push to turn this and then open the little door here. So that's what makes it a little bit more challenging versus some of the other puzzle feeders out there. But yeah, it's a great little product. Gives your furry friend a lot of stimulation and interactiveness. So if you're looking for a puzzle feeder, I totally recommend this. You can also, you don't have to just put dog food in here. You can put little treats and whatnot if you're looking for more of an afternoon activity for them. It doesn't necessarily always have to be full of pet food, but that is basically it. Feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have questions of something I didn't cover. If there is a puzzle feeder out there that you think's really awesome, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Like I said, I'm always looking for things to entertain my dog and slow down his dinner time, essentially. So yeah, that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.